like can we get the LED lamp over there? Over there.
Yes. Which one is there?
Over there.
Okay.
Look at this one, it's so cool. And keep in mind that your glitter is gonna be so even darker. If you have a darker background, it reflects of whatever you put it underneath. So we did light green, it's going lights. And if you have some similar like nude colors, I think it's gonna look really cute. Sorry.
Bring it down. There you go.
There you go. And before you cure this one, I'm gonna wipe it on the sides, just like underneath. And then cure. All right, Kim. Let's see what this one. This the ones we did this one with like rose gold shells.
Take it over. Take it. There you go. Center it. Yep.
Right there.
There you go. Together. You're good.
Keep it flat. And then after she's done, I just need to take her pictures, and then she's getting ready to go. Hi, Keisha. Oh my God, you're so good. You're braiding the hair and watch, laugh out. Thanks so much, everyone, for the love and support. I swear, when you look in person, it looks so much better on the phone. Did you see this? Looks different?
It does.
Yeah, so Kim said it does. It looks so much better in person. So sparkle, like she can see that.
Say hi, Sophia.
Hi, Sophia. Hey, Em, how are you? Shatella, me neither. I can't wait either. It's dry.
There you go.
There you go. Just put some cuticle oil on. Sophia, em khỏe không? Sophia's on Facebook. So I'm gonna put some cuticle oil on. And then take a picture, and then Kim's gonna be on her way. Thank you, Kim. Thank you so much, everyone. If you have any questions regarding to the products I'm using or any products you can find on the official website at Glitz Accessory and Such .com. Last 2 days we don't have any crystal placement. Maybe I'll make it up for Sarah will make it up for me. If Sarah going live later, she will actually let us know. But
She does.
She does?
Later.
what time are you going on? So then we can tune in, Sarah. Here you go, ladies. Hope you really enjoying it. Just really quick, simple, fast tutorials for beautiful set of nails for my clients, Kim. She did 2 of this. I think I like that idea though, Kim. And this is stunning. It looks like 3-dimension. But it looks in person, she can see that in person is so much better. All right, all of you ladies, hope you enjoyed the live tutorial today. Give some tips and tricks and all the products you can find on Glitz Accessory and Such. And if you have any question, you feel free to email us at info@glitzaccessoryandsuch.com. And I will see you tomorrow, Friday night, for another live tutorial. Tomorrow is probably gonna do a lot of crystals. Thank you, Wanda. Thank you, Debbie, Foxy, Mika, Sarah, Cece. I think you do need Facebook app. Cece tuning in because Sarah did really cool things. A lot of designs though. Great. So Thank you, ladies. We'll definitely gonna see you tomorrow, and then please tune in for Sarah live video. I can't wait for her live tutorial because I'm waiting for her tutorial because I learned so much from her as well. Bye, everyone. Keep pinging up with Evie. Thank God, I miss Crystal. It's Debbie. I know, right? We didn't do any Crystal at all.
We didn't.
We didn't. Like, all right. So Kim said, we didn't at all. What happened to us?
We didn't.
Thank you, everyone. We will see you tomorrow. Have a good night. Bye-bye. Let me take a picture of Kim.
That was nice and quick.
How many minutes was there?
About 40.
Oh, not bad, Kim.
One of the shortest ones ever.
Oh, we don't want to keep Kim here for 10 hours. She doesn't have a date, doesn't mean we can keep her like for 10 hours.
So,
Thank you, Kim, it's
yeah,
fun.
so you have been watching her video, right?
Yeah, I have.
Yeah, like the longest one she did, I think like 4 hours.
Gee, okay, I didn't watch a 4-hour one.
Don't stay with me in like 4 hours.
Sorry. I can't watch 4 hours. My attention span.
Yeah. But it's good, like, I do this during a quarantine time, so a lot of people who, like, you don't know how much people, like, you will stay
My meds
hooked all the
don't
time.
last that long.
I know, but then a lot of people, they don't have to watch all this. They can watch one episode at a time, but a lot of people are getting really stressed and tired and worried. They don't know what to do. And it's good to, like, teaching them all of that so then they can learn during quarantine time, and when they're back to work, they can really, like, take care of their clients. Did you share on Facebook already? What happened to your Facebook?
I save and I share.
Oh, it's quick? Oh, because it's only 45 minutes. Usually it take a long time to saving it. Usually you take him
It's Thursday, right? Or Friday? Thursday.
Thursday,
Thursday.
Thursday. The 11 or 10?
11.
Lovely, thank you.
Keep it flat for me.
Like, at some point, I don't even remember the day no more.
We will do live every day.
My days run together. I'm just kind of quit giving up. I'm like,
Tear it down a little bit. Let me see. It's hard. It looks so good in person. It's hard to take a picture though. Kim, you like it?
I like it.
Beautiful, huh? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, good. I got it.
Who would have thought it'd be so difficult to take a picture?
What do you say?
Then who would have thought it'd be so difficult to take a picture?
Yeah. You feel that? It's like you don't feel anything. It will encapsulating.
I love them.